Alright, so I'm unboxing a new camera I just purchased, the Nikon Coolpix S3700, and here it goes. Open it up, you got the warranty information. This is it's like a USB plug. USB plug. And this is a camera strap. It comes with battery charger, here is the battery, and here is the camera itself. And it's about the same size as my Canon that I had. Maybe a little slimmer. Here's the top. It has pretty much the same features. Here's the bottom. It's one side. And I heard it's also Wi-Fi capable, so here you go. Let me turn that around. Let's power this on and see how it looks. Okay, open it right here. And that's where the battery memory card goes. The memory card does not come with this item. That's backwards. And you turn it on right there. Select your language. Alright, so this is me trying the camera out in lighting situations, highlight situations, early in the day. Hopefully it shows up pretty good. It's really easy to hold. I know exactly what I need to look at, and then I'll try it again in low light situation. So I'm trying this camera out in low light. I'm gonna go in and out of different lighting situations. I tried it during the day, and now it's at night. So as you can see, going out of different situations. I like it so far. Kind of works just like my previous camera. Let's cut you a couple other features that I'll tell you about in a second that makes me really like this one more as I go into some other lighting situations. What this thing does is actually adjusts. So if it knows you're in a dark lighting situation, it does everything in its power to light or brighten up that scene for the subject. So I really like it there. The other camera did do the same thing. It's just that this one almost makes it a little more prevalent, where it shows up and wants to compensate for the low lighting or whatnot. So the good thing about this camera is that it has Wi-Fi. So when I take a picture, I can immediately beam it to my cell phone, my smartphone or smart device, and then upload it to whether it's Instagram, Facebook, or whatever. My other camera didn't have that. This one's a little more of a square. The other one was a little smaller and more rectangle. So I'm wondering how it's going to fit in my car on the dashboard in the holder. So all in all, I do like this product. I definitely recommend it. and click the link in the description. I do have a link that would let you check out this camera, see the specs, and I would recommend it as a vlog camera. So I'm probably going to hang out with this camera for quite a while. Hopefully it does me good, and then I do expect to upgrade to the next level when I'm able to. But yeah, that's my review. If you have any questions, let me know.